In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for IT asset management step by step. If you're managing laptops, monitors, mobile devices, or any other company equipment, this setup will help you track assignments, warranties, and asset status all in one organized place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional IT asset management board that your whole team can use. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, we need to create a dedicated board for IT asset tracking. On the left sidebar in Monday.com, click on the plus Add button. From the menu, select New Board. When prompted, name your board IT Asset Management so it's clear and easy to find later. Next, choose Main Board. This ensures your team members can access and collaborate on it. Once everything looks good, click Create Board. You now have the foundation for your IT asset management system. Now, let's add the essential columns that will allow you to properly track each asset. The first column is the Item Name column. This is where you'll enter the asset name, such as MacBook Pro 14-inch, Dell Monitor 27-inch, or iPhone 15. Be specific so each item is easy to identify. Next, add a Status column. Click the plus icon to add a new column and select Status. Rename the labels to match your workflow. For IT assets, I recommend using Available, Assigned, In Repair, and Retired. This gives you instant visibility into where each device stands. After that, add a People column. This allows you to assign the asset to a specific employee. Whenever a laptop or device is issued, simply select the team member responsible for it. This makes accountability clear and prevents confusion. Now, add a Date column for the purchase date. This helps you track how old each asset is and plan for future upgrades. Then add a second date column and rename it to Warranty Expiration. This is extremely useful because you can quickly filter or sort by warranties that are about to expire. Finally, add a text column for the serial number. Serial numbers are critical for IT documentation, especially for repairs, insurance, or vendor support. With these columns in place, your board now captures all the essential asset information. Next, let's organize everything using groups. Groups help you categorize assets by type. At the bottom of your board, click Add Group. Rename the first group to Laptops. Then create additional groups such as monitors and mobile devices. You can add more later, like accessories or networking equipment, depending on your needs. Once your groups are ready, simply drag and drop each item into the correct category. This keeps your board clean and easy to navigate. Now, let's add some useful views to make your asset management even more powerful. At the top of the board, click Add View. One helpful option is the Table View, which is the default and great for data entry. You can also add a Kanban view to visually organize assets by status, such as Available or Assigned. This gives you a quick visual overview of your inventory. Another powerful option is the Calendar view, which can display warranty expiration dates so you never miss important deadlines. These views allow different team members like IT managers or operations leads to see the same data in ways that work best for them. At this point, your IT asset management system inside Monday.com is fully functional. You can start adding all your company devices, assign them to employees, track their condition, and monitor warranties in one centralized workspace. As your company grows, you can expand this board with automations, notifications, and dashboards for even deeper insights. That's it. You now know how to use Monday.com for IT asset management step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.